In this Minecraft video I'm going to show you how to make animations in Minecraft. Like this. So if you've ever used an animation software before, you'll be familiar with these things called frames. So the way it works, you draw a picture and then you draw the same picture again with a slightly different movement over and over again to make something moving. And the same applies with Minecraft. So you see here we have a frames for our character. We have the one where he's not moving anywhere, the one where he's jumping. Then we got this particle effect and this slightly different particle effect to play when he bounces. He jumps up, little particle comes out from underneath him. Then if you've played around with commands before, you're thinking, why can't we just use set block or fill to fill the entire character and that? But the thing is, that gets complex very, very quickly. So you've got to fill in red wool, so you fill in red wool like that. Then you've got to do set block for both of the eyes. So that's 3 commands right there. If you're not using data packs, that's quite big. So the best way to do this in my books is to use the /clone command. So the way you do this is you select the bottom right hand corner, you type /clone, and then you press this one here. So this will be the block that you're looking at, is the one that gets suggested. So if you look at this block here, that is the coordinates of it. And then you enter that, it'll give you an error. So then go to top right hand corner and then press the up key to bring your command back. Be very careful there. So you select this one, it won't bring the eyes with it. Put a block forward, then press the bottom one, enter, remove the block. So the way you paste things in is quite difficult. Basically, if you just put it there and then enter that in, that'll work fine. But if you've got something that's 3-dimensional, like this, like a cube, and then you select it and paste it here, it will actually paste it at the lowest X, Y, Z coordinates. Press the F3 menu here. You see the block, and then there's the numbers after it as your coordinates. So you see if you move, it goes down and up. So always paste it at the lowest value of these. Move this way, it's 3, so it'll actually paste it here. So if you put it here, it would paste it 3 forward, like that, and your cube would end up like this. If stuff 2-dimensional, it doesn't really matter. So then place the block down of where you want to paste it, bring your command back, type it in there, press enter, and materializes there. So on the command block basis, all I've done is given myself a command block, type in /give your name command block to get a command block, and then I've basically just put a command block down, and then when you run a redstone signal through it like a button, it will trigger it. It's getting into a bit of redstone here, but if you power this block becomes powered and it will run the repeater, and then I can do another one here and I can control the speed. But things like the particle effect will be late if I keep changing the speed, so the particle will appear just after the jump, and you won't be able to notice. There's quite a big delay. It'll be like he jumps, then the effect appears. It's a little bit too late. So for things that you want to happen instantly after the animation plays, you can make a chain command block and make sure the arrow on top is facing the same way as the chain one. So when this command block gets run, all of the chain command blocks after it get run. So I can make the particle effects happen instantly. Then you can just do like clone particle effects, and then you can get creative with it and you can set things there. It's pretty simple to do. I'll do a few frames here. So you notice with this frame, there's an air gap. So basically why this is if I clone this up here, it won't remove the bottom blocks. So I have to put an air gap underneath and then type /clone and clone the air gap too. Okay, so I've got the clone command, enter, and there we go. The ground gets moved from underneath him. One thing you've got to watch out for with this is if you spam the button, it will break the animation. So the way you fix this is by either not using a button and having it on a loop, or you can move the button. You can have a command block underneath it. So select our redstone dust, do set block, this one, redstone block, and then that will trigger animation. Then I can put that command into here, and voila! But the redstone block won't move itself, so you'll be able to run the command again. So the way you fix that is add a chain command block after, then put the set block command in again, chain from redstone block to air. You spam the button, it won't ever break because the redstone block's there for the whole of the animation. But the only time you're really going to see this issue is if you're spamming the button, and I doubt you will be. But just in case, you can do this. And the benefit of this is that you can put this command block anywhere. So if I just build out a little bridge here, put this here, and as long as the chunks are loaded that the command blocks are in, it will work. Well, thanks for watching. If you're looking for something else to watch today, you can check out this video here where I show you some commands you can try in Minecraft 1.19.3.